Welcome to this channel, traders. I want to show you a very powerful strategy for GBP USD. Okay, so there are three areas in which this currency pair will make a clean move. That is from the beginning of the London session. If you find an entry there, you are likely to find a clean move. If you miss an entry right here, or you find a bad entry, you're supposed to look for another entry from the end of the Tokyo session. If you miss right here, you are supposed to find an entry from the beginning of the New York session. That's the main thing I can say about this strategy. And if, let's say, you saw this video maybe yesterday, okay, so today you could have looked for an entry right here from the beginning of the London session and you could be in profit. Okay, even yesterday, let's see what happened yesterday. You could have found an entry from the beginning of the New York session and you could have been in profit, or from the end of Tokyo and you could have caught up this bullish move. It is as easy as that. And remember, traders, before I show you the entry rules and the setup of the indicator, I usually recommend you to trade these scalping strategies with a broker that has very tight spreads, and that is FX View. Okay, and if you open up an account right here using my broker referral link, I give you my trading guide. For those who don't know that PDF, it's something like this. It shows you the right session to trade for each currency pair, and it shows you the entry rules for each and every currency pair. Maybe what I can show you, just today's testimony. My friend, your strategy have me trading stress-free. Okay, you hear that? I've been consistent since I got the PDF. You see that, bro, the PDF are on point. First time consistent. Okay, your strategy is very powerful. So this is a wonderful trading guide. So you can come here, check it out, use the link in the video description, get registered, and then contact me on this WhatsApp number for the trading guide. Okay, so let's come back here. Maybe we can start by setting up the indicator for those who are new. Okay, you go to indicators right there. Okay, on trading view, you open a free account on trading view, no need to pay anything, and then you type sessions, select this one, sessions. Okay, you click there and then you close. Okay, this is what you are going to have. Go to the settings of the indicator. Okay, scroll to the very bottom and check the last box, and then let's uncheck the Sydney session. We won't need it. You leave Tokyo, you leave London, you leave New York, you press OK. That's all about setting up the indicator. And for the entry rules, like I always say, it's very easy. You just mark the first candle of that particular session. Okay, mark the first candle like that. If price will close above, okay, you take a buy trade. That's all. That's all that you have to do. And another thing that you need to understand is how to know if price has really closed above. I usually talk about it on my videos. You need two candles that are actually following each other. Okay, so the first candle has to break out of that key level, and the following candle has to be longer than the previous one that broke out of that. Okay, on another scenario, you can have candles like this. Okay, let's just do this. You can have candles following each other like this, and the candle has to close in a full body, not the wicks. Okay, so these examples show that the price has closed above the key level. You don't want candles that will be equal. Okay, the candles don't have to be equal or shorter. Okay, like in this case, you cannot say right here price has closed above this key level, so you wait for the next candle to be longer. Okay, so let's continue checking. Okay, right here see there was an entry from the opening of the London. Okay, so if you missed that, you would have identified that last candle of the Tokyo session. When marking the candle, you mark even the wicks. Okay, so the first time price closed above was right there on that green candle, okay, followed by a red one, followed by a green one. But a perfect time to enter the market would be at this candle, because you can see that it is an obvious close above this key level. And if you are using mobile traders, let's come to my mobile, you can set up this same thing. Okay, let me show you. Let's come to trading view. Okay, this is an application that I have downloaded. Okay, let's come to charts. You see that it's just the same thing as I have shown you on the computer. Okay, and if you want the APK for this, to download this app, just visit my Telegram using the link in the video description. When you get to my Telegram channel, go to the pinned messages. You're going to see this APK, TradingView APK. Download it and then open yourself a free account. Set up the indicator as I have shown you. So it's like that. It's like that. That's how you should be looking for the entries. And another thing that you can do, let's say you entered a sell trade right here on the beginning of London and you didn't make much profit. Okay, end of Tokyo, you can increase your risk a little bit. Okay, this is the end of Tokyo. You could have taken a buy trade somewhere there. So after taking the buy trade, you can take it with more trades than you did the first time. Okay, but always increase your risk after losing. It is very much not likely that you lose on the three places. Okay, you won there, and you could have won there. So that was a great day. Okay, so opening of London was a bad trade. Okay, closing of Tokyo didn't move that much, but the opening of New York, it dropped really big. And let me show you what I was talking about. Okay, you mark the first candle of the New York session and then see above there, price didn't close above because the candles are equal. What you want are candles that are following each other. Okay, so price closed below and then you had another candle, so you could have taken a sell trade there. And please be patient with this thing, don't rush to enter. Okay, just wait for a candle to close. This is 5 minutes time frame. Thank you for watching this video. Continue checking it up. Okay, wish you the best for your trading.